Good evening, everyone. This is Toxinos Philippines giving you your top winner and loser analysis for April 24, 2017. This is not a stock recommendation. We encourage you to consider your own financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance when you make an investment decision. We cover the top 5 winners and losers in a premium version of this report. Please visit www.stocksignals.ph/services to learn more about our services. Okay, so our top gainer is AB, but it doesn't have volume, so we have to go with BHI, up 22.22% with a value of 46.3 million. Okay, so clearly it broke resistance at around 0.08. Our next expected resistance was around this area, which is the resistance today, 0.093, and our support will now be at around 0.072. Volume today was good. It was very explosive. For 15 and 20 moving averages, SMA and 15 EMA and 20 SMA are both pointing upwards and may cross over the 200 SMA soon. MACD has made a bullish crossover. RSI is pointing upwards. It has reached overbought conditions, but this is just natural given a highly trending stock. Now, should the stock continue moving upwards, our estimated resistance would be around 0.10 already. But for now, relevant parameter 0.092 as resistance, 0.08 as our support. Fundamentally, the stock has a net profit margin of 5.66%. EPS is too small. It's trading at 0.55 times price to book value, so it's still quite cheap or undervalued. Latest FS, we already have the first quarter of 2000 and I know February 28th. It doesn't follow the fiscal year not very much. Yeah, this is from December, January. December to February. February. No, November 28 to February 28. So we have here current year to date earnings. It's positive. It's 2 million. It's in Philippine pesos. So it's 2 million versus last year's 1.5 million loss. So basically, it's around a 200% turnaround. But previous year, it has dropped from 4 million to 2.2 million. So there's two ways on how to actually interpret that. Okay. So we now go to the top loser. Cap doesn't have volumes. It's gonna be Mark. Okay. It's still following our trading range. Our estimated resistance was at 1.65 and that is where the stock actually closed. Next support is at 1.60 or 1.61. Why 1.60? Yeah, 1.60. Our resistance is at still here 1.84. Volume is picking up on the red candle. MACD is about to make a bearish crossover. RSI is pointing downwards. Not yet oversold, so it still has some room to go down. Fundamentally, the stock looks ugly with negative earnings. It's fairly valued when it comes to price to book value at 1.03. Latest FS, let's check. This is as of September 30 still. But we have the annualized here. for the fiscal year ended December 31, 2016. Okay, so let's look at here. So it has a net income of 5 million compared to a loss of 119 million last year. So it's actually a turnaround. But this loss is still significant. Okay. Let's double check with Edge, the FS of Mark. Let's also check the latest disclosures, just in case. Here we already have the annual report. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is of December 31. Yeah, we were looking at the correct figures. 5.1 million in net income versus a loss of 119 million last year. Okay, EPS is still too small though. Okay, so that was your top gainer and loser analysis for April 24, 2017. Again, this is not a stock recommendation and we encourage you to consider your own financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance when you make an investment decision. We cover the top 5 winners and losers in the premium version of this report. Please visit www.stockseamless.ph/services to learn more about our services. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful evening, everyone.